Namaskaram. In this episode, I am telling about silver and gold market predictions. This market prediction is based on Vedic astrology. Vedic astrology is nothing but Vedic Shastras. These Vedic Shastras are written by ancient rishis and siddhas. Ancient rishis and siddhas are ancient scientists. They have written in the language of ancient Tamil. This ancient Tamil is very hard to translate in other languages. In this Vedic astrology, in this Vedic Shastra, they says that 9 planets, 27 nakshatras rules the earth. Not only rules the earth, it rules the human life. Not only human life, it rules the 84 lakh species in the world, and not only 84 lakh species, it rules the natural disasters happening in the world and wars and the market fluctuations, financial fluctuations happening in the world. In these 9 planets and nakshatras, one nakshatra is a group of stars. They have divided as the group of stars in 9 divisions, and in these 9 divisions, the ruling of each planet 3 nakshatras. This 3 nakshatras is divided a group of stars as 27 nakshatras. For these planetary movements, Sun is the head of all planets and Moon is the mother of the planets. Moon rules metals of aluminum. When Sun transits in Leo, as a pure benefic, without conjoining it with any malefic, and Moon revolves around the Sun, this happenings that in history, aluminum hits the peak of the market, which these ancient predictions and with ancient shastras, they said that. Also, Jupiter rules the gold and Venus rules the silver. When Venus is in Libra, Jupiter is in Cancer. Jupiter exaltation in Cancer. When it is always Jupiter exaltation is Cancer, means gold and silver market will be downfall. Also, they are telling that retrogression of Jupiter, it will also, the gold and silver market will be downfall. So, before 7 years, gold and silver market becomes have a downfall. Now, in the sign of Capricorn, Jupiter retrogrades to Aquarius. So, in Aquarius, actually Jupiter is debilation, but actually it is not debilation. It is in the only in 8th to 13th degree is debilation, and Jupiter is now 29.29 degrees, and now the retrogression is over. Now Jupiter is in normal position, normal movement. Now, so that in the retrogression period, there is a downfall in past period, there is a downfall in gold and silver market. Now it's over, and in this, based on these predictions, tomorrow at Indian Standard Time, 15:30, 29/2021, from this period, gold and silver market will be raised. Also, for other metals and bank nifties, industrial shares, forex, these predictions I will tell in the upcoming episodes. Thank you very much.